wonder what this is. This is a fire truck. It can put out fires even in tall buildings. Try to put all the parts together. Wheels with wings. Door. Ladder. Seats. Cabin. 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 Toolbox. Seats. Rotating mechanism. Water tank. Seats. Water tank. Wheels with wings. Wheels with wings. Wheels with wings. Door. 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 Ladder. 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 Excellent! Huh? What kind of car is this? Taxi. This car quickly transports passengers around the city. Look at this mess. Let's put a vehicle together. Wheel. Seat. 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 Doors. Doors. Steering wheel. 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 Doors. Doors. Seat. Headlight. Headlight. Doors. Doors. Steering wheel. Taxi sign. Doors. Doors. Taxi sign. Yes, you got it. I wonder what this is. This is an ambulance. It helps people who get sick. Try to put this vehicle together. Beacon lights. Seat. Seat. Back doors. Wheels. Headlight. 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 Truck cabin. Wheels. 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 Steering wheel. Door. Door. Back doors. Back doors.
Excellent!